Alright, we got Emma putting in the slides. Her favorite job.
My fingers just don't work. Emma, you can stop it.
Choke Canyon State Park.
Here's what I found for Choke Canyon State Park.
Yeah, it's going south. Right off the bat.
We've been an hour and a half.
We're gonna go down towards Corpus Christi. Just towards.
Looking at a sky so clear, so much to discover here. Setting out on my own, all the places I can go. It's a long, long, long and winding road. All these answers left to find, many mountains left to climb. And though there's valleys down below, I got so much room to grow. It's a long, long, long and winding road.
Emperor Run. Bird watching. Get crawling. Huh? What? Go, go, go.
Why can't you crawl?
Basketball court, soccer, tennis courts. This doesn't look too bad. That looks like a full-size tennis court, or basketball court. Oh yeah, you got basketballs already there for you. And I guess on the tennis court, they have all the stuff to play tennis. So, it looks like the clowns are gonna play tennis. They're inbound. I think this is 75-acre lake inside the park. Amazingly, we didn't know nothing about it before we got here, but I guess a ton of people come here to watch birds. There's so many people here with big fancy cameras all over the place. And it's cold. Did I mention it was cold? This place has got a ton of wildlife. Look at this guy. Yeah, it's a big bird. Check out Big Bird. This place is full of birds. They're everywhere. Like the bird sanctuary of the country or something. Like check out all the deer out there. I don't know, I guess you probably can't see them. Maybe all the way out there, but a bunch of deer out there. This is in the center of the campground. Check this out. There it is. There he is. There he goes. Owl Hollow Nature Trail. Let's go, we're gonna take a bike down it. Alright, today we're gonna leave Choke Canyon State Park, which has been a great park. We got quite a bit of footage of it. Leaving Choke Canyon, going to Lost Maples State area or something. About a 3-hour drive or so. So we're gonna pack up here and we'll be off there.
Time goes on and seasons change. It's these moments that remain. And no matter where I go, I'll always hold them close. It's a long, long
All right, we made it. Camper's all set up. Well, kind of. Water ain't hooked up yet, but close enough.
And we finally get to sit in the sun.
Yeah, and it's finally, what, 66 degrees right now. Finally.
After
Been
about a
cold
week.
as forever. Here, check out the view over here. We're kind of down in a great big hole. Valley, sure. It's a hole. 0 cell phone service, so don't plan on coming down here and having cell phone service. You'll have none. On the other hand, there's a whole bunch of hiking. Hopefully you want to hike though, because it's a long ways.
The trails are pretty
Well, we're gonna find out.
advanced for kids, I think. There's a couple small little trails, but
We'll see.
lots of very long 4+ mile trails.
So far, my butt hasn't come out of this seat since we got here, so we'll see what happens. I'll have to go hike them. Geez, that's an old little camper. All right, so we're probably gonna go for a hike. All right, the start of what? This is gonna be a what, 2 mile hike?
Possibly a 2 mile hike.
Possibly a 2 mile hike. See them girls running?
We haven't even reached the trail yet.
All right, let's see what those girls do on our way back. They're running now, but they won't be, is my guess. See if we're right or not. Cactus up close. I think that's probably your first cactus up close.
No,
You want to touch it? Touch it.
Doesn't hurt.
Oh, it's not pokey?
Some of them are like these.
Is it soft?
On the cartoons,
Oh yeah, it's soft, huh?
Oh boy, it's soft.
Hmm.
That feels weird.
Okay, now that you touched it, you're going to turn into a cactus.
We are right here. Today we're going to go up east-west trail, 1 mile up and 1 mile back.
All right, girls, you just did 4 miles. How was that?
Exhausting.
Exhausting.
Well, they ran the whole time.
Yeah, and Audrey's still running.
Instead of pacing themselves.
They did good.
We definitely have a case of the tortoise and the hare going on here.
Surprisingly, they did good. Lost Maples Natural Area and Campground. This is nice, spacious sites to back into. And they've got covered picnic table, water, electric, 30 amp electric. So they're nice sites, a little nice and quiet here. Me and Millsy are back up for a walk tonight. Here's the armadillo. Just nosing through the trash. He don't even care we're here. Funny little creature. Look at this, they just nose through. Crazy. I've never seen this many armadillos in one spot before.
I still find Wiley's house, riding on my bike with eyes closed. I could name every girl that he took out, and from my memory dial his house phone. Can you take me back when we were just kids, weren't scared of getting older, yeah. 'Cause no one knows you like they know you, and no one probably ever will. You can grow up, make new ones, but truth is, there's nothing like old friends.
All right, we made it to Fort Stockton, Texas. We left. Where did we leave this morning?
Lost Maples.
A natural area. Yeah. and we made it here. And it's pretty much a campground in the middle of the desert. Nope, that's it. But you got the sunset at least here. Look at this. At least you got something out of it. I don't know how good that is, but yep, that's the interstate you see right there. All right, there's our site. It's actually not 51, it's 52 over further, but that's where we are for the night. We'll shoot out of here early in the morning towards New Mexico.